This is Alan Stamp from Baseheads, guys. Updates. Just got done doing the Dodge, and I got a 12-inch subwoofer that was given to me by my brother. I don't know what the name brand of it is. I'll give you guys a look, and you guys can drop it down in the comments and let me know, what you guys think it is. We heard it was a German-made sub, but I'm not exactly for sure exactly what what the name brand of it is. But it doesn't sound too bad on my Boss amp, so turn the camera around here and I can show you what I'm talking about. Maybe. Still learning the functions here, guys. Well, maybe I can flip the camera around, you guys can see. I got my Boss amp down there. There's the 12-inch sub. I don't know if maybe you guys can give me some information on it, but I put a cooling fan in there to cool it down, and back there I said, cooling fan is better than nothing, especially for right now. Temperatures are so hot that my phone didn't even want to record. But here, I'll give you guys a listen and show you guys what it sounds like. Well, hang on for a minute, because I don't want to get a copyright here. Now, I don't know copyrights of this. I'm going to put on this channel too. So turn on the radio. I might end up having to edit out that part of the video. I shouldn't have done that. I'll have an update as to what it sounds like. I'll have to figure out what I can put in here and use. So hang on for a minute. Now I'm back, guys. I'm gonna go get one of my bass CDs out of the Buick. Remember to show you keys. I don't know if I hung them up, or maybe I'll put them back there. Yeah. Always misplacing things, guys. Sorry about that. Looking for my Buick's keys. Grab the drill. But I'll come back.